coaching thought of the day is be aware of buts. So what I mean by that is there are times where I have conversations with teachers and they say that they are looking for suggestions for things, and I offer a suggestion, and they say their comeback to that is, well, yeah, but something. And so, okay, so they're pushing back on that. That's okay. They're processing, that sort of thing. Like, it's completely okay when you get a new idea to push back on it. However, once I get the second yes, but, I'm very aware. So like they say, yeah, but, and they talk through it. And then they come back a few minutes later and, in the conversation, and I'll say something and they'll say, yes, but again, or that sort of thing. I'm just letting you know, a strategy that I use is once I've heard 2 yes, buts, unless I really understand where the but is coming from and why they're hesitant, or I don't know, just how I feel about it. If I get 2 yes, buts, I take a step back myself and I stop offering suggestions, and it definitely just turns into a listening conversation or asking different questions and things like that. So sometimes even when a teacher is originally asking for suggestions, they may not be ready to hear the suggestions that are being offered. So when I hear 2 buts, I start to back off. So maybe that's something that you find to be true for yourself as well, but always be aware of the buts.